Hi, I'm Genevieve, and you're watching Rice, Beans, and Southern Greens. Today we're going to make spicy cabbage bites. The ingredients for this recipe are cabbage, onion, cilantro, sushi ginger, and hot sauce. Now you can get sushi ginger at an international market, or you can get fresh ginger, or you can use powdered ginger. And for the hot sauce, you can use anything you like. First, I'm going to prep the cabbage. I'm going to peel off the outer layers and give it a rinse. Next, I'm going to prep the onion. I'm just going to peel off the outer layer and give it a rinse. Now, I'm just going to wash the cilantro. Now, I'm going to chop the cabbage. You want to chop it into large chunks. Okay, now we're just going to save the rest of the cabbage for later. You can use it in a stir fry. I have a Tupperware container. Now I'm going to chop the onion. We want slightly smaller pieces this time. Okay, now we're going to start putting everything together. First, you're going to take a piece of onion and put it on top of the cabbage, and then take a couple pieces of sushi ginger, and then put a couple sprigs of cilantro on top. And then just put a little bit of hot sauce, as much as you want on top. So now we're done. I'm just going to drizzle some hot sauce on it as much as you want, and have a taste test.
All right, let's see. Good presentation, nice. Get a little of that as much as I want, you said. Okay. Oh wow. Yeah. It's like, it reminds me of poke or sushi or something. Yeah, that ginger coming through. The raw onion I thought was going to be a little weird, but it actually works with the sort of the crispness of the cabbage. Nice, thank you for this. Thanks. Is that enough footage? Yeah, I get the close up in the mouth if you can. Jack never lets me put cilantro and stuff.
Cilantro's good.
It's good.